ASEAN natin.
AI is shaping the future of digital transformation across ASEAN.
ASEAN has played a pivotal role in coordinating efforts to create a more inclusive AI ecosystem for its member states, and should continue to champion this mission to ensure equitable AI development.
However, with ASEAN countries at varying stages of readiness, the rapid rise of AI brings unique challenges that each nation must tackle in its own way. That's where AI Ready ASEAN steps in, helping everyone in ASEAN adapt to and benefit from AI. With support from Google.org, the ASEAN Foundation is implementing AI Ready ASEAN to empower the AI literacy of 5.5 million people in ASEAN, focusing on the youth, educators, and parents.
We'll train 2,000 master trainers and reach 800 people with hands-on AI learning, along with an awareness-raising campaign on AI, organize regional and national convenings, publish a regional-scale research on AI, and launch an e-learning platform through the AI Resource Hub for easy access, anytime, anywhere.
We can ensure no one is left behind in this exciting tech revolution. Let's get AI ready together!
Okay. All right. So good evening po to everyone and welcome po no sa ating hour of code for this day po yan, August 16. So usually po sabay-sabay naman po yan. I mean, meron po tayong mga different implementers po no. But for now, this is brought to you by Break the Fake Movement and of course MBJ Training Consultancy Services. So yan. So bear with me kasi sa account ko siya nakalagay. Ayan. So I'm having trouble lang technically pero of course hindi tayo susuko for this one. And of course we're going to start po na yung ating discussion all about AI. Okay. So again, I'm your master trainer po, no? So I'm Maria Jamay Soriano, but usually people are calling me po MJ Soriano. Ayan. Pero syempre paglalagay niyo po sa ating pre-assessment form, no? Pag tinanong po kung sino po inyong trainer, so ayan po ang ilalagay natin na name. Okay, so let's start po, no? So, syempre, tinawag to na hour of code. So, supposedly, dapat hour lang siya. Ayan. Okay, so again, welcome po to AI Ready ASEAN Hour of Code program. So, believe me or not, ano po nito, ang tawag dito, nakaka-enjoy siya. Ayan, and at the same time po, no, nakaka-excite din. So, in the near future. All right, so yan. Let's go po with our code campaign natin for this evening. So, ano po ba si Hour of Code? Ayan. So, this is a presentation po. We're gonna give you po some idea, no, what is this AI Ready ASEAN program, especially Hour of Code po. So, again, I just wanna say lang that this AI Ready ASEAN program is brought to you by ASEAN Foundation, Break the Fake Movement, of course, Google.org, and syempre po, for now, together na rin po with MBJ Training Consultancy Services. So, tama po ba ako? Am I heard naman po? Ayan. Sabi ni Sir AJ, kasi kanina nasa webinar ko din siya ng umaga. So, sabi niya, ang sipag ko daw mag-talk. Yes po. This is what I love kasi. That's why then. Okay, anyway. So, moving forward po, no, AI Ready ASEAN, again nga po, program. So, let's get AI ready daw po in 1 hour. So, sabi nga po sa atin, AI is no longer the future. So, it's a part of a daily lives na po natin. And the recommendations po that we see on YouTube, yung mga filters natin on our photos, and the applications po that help us navigate yung traffic. So, mostly lahat na, no? I mean, trending siya lagi, artificial intelligence, no? Lahat, laging yan yung mga sinasabi. So, the question is, are we ready pa for AI? I know some of you are using AI, especially generative AI. Siyempre, yung mga friends natin dyan like ChatGPT, Copilot, diba? And at the same time, yung mga other generative pa, and even, I guess, yung mga video editors din natin, ng mga artificial intelligence, ginagamit na natin. So, alam kong ready na tayo. But, though, kailangan ko pa rin ito itanong sa inyo. Ayan, but here's the big question daw, how to be ready? Ayan, okay. So, si Hour of Code po, ayan. So, yun daw po yung reason why Hour of Code exists. No? This is to make po yung coding simple, fun and accessible po, especially to everyone. So no matter po yung background po ninyo or yung experiences niyo po, no. So this is a fun game, no. So it's like how you're going to develop your creative thinking. Yan, nakakatulong po ang Hour of Code na yan for creative thinking. As well as cognitive din po kasi meron siyang mga, meron siyang mga activities that will enhance no, kung paano po tayo magre-react, and at the same time, yung ating talagang critical thinking as well. So how are we going to do this, do that, no? So though mamaya, medyo may mga makikita kayo na for grade 1 to grade 3 or grade 1 to sabihin natin parang hanggang grade 12 lang siya, no? But the truth po, even ako po, no, nung ginagawa ko po siya, nagkakaroon din ako ng mga challenge. But those challenge will definitely help me to be more ready, specifically when you really want to have strategic approach sa mga trabaho natin o kaya naman sa mga businesses if ever po in the near future. Yan. Okay, so samples lang yan ng mga programming courses po, no, under, of course, yung itong Hour of Code, and at the same time, dun sa pinaka-website na pupuntahan din natin mamaya. Okay. So, yan. So, para mo mas maintindihan natin, ano po ba yung Hour of Code campaign? So, sabi nga po, Hour of Code is a global movement that introduces po yung coding and AI to students. No, so this is more on parents and educators then, and all in just 1 hour. So, it's fun. Yan. Beginner-friendly, and designed din po siya to show that technology is for everyone. So, an introduction po yan, especially for the computer science, no, to design or spark curiosity and break the myth that coding is hard. Ayan. So, dun sa mga nag-iisip na parang ayaw nila ng ganitong courses in the near future kasi parang ang hirap-hirap niya, something ganyan. No? So, si Hour of Code po will definitely make you ready. And syempre, tutulungan din niya po kayo na mas ma-practice kung ano pa yung mga dapat nating malaman, lalo na if you really want to get these courses po in the near future. Yan. So, why does it matter? Yan. So, as its core, so AI po is built on the logic of coding. So, coding po isn't just for programmers, but it's also for anyone who wants to think critically, solve problems, and create something new. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, what we're going to benefit po no for this Hour of Code is, again, number 1 is creative thinking. So magkakaroon po tayo or mas mag-practice natin dyan critical thinking, and as of course yung cognitive way din po natin. Yan. Okay. So meron pong participants and invitees will be able to access topics. Sure. Yan. Okay. So why should we learn the code? Yan. So again, tech is everywhere. So from social media to online shopping, AI and technology are shaping our world. And why just consume when you create, diba? Yan. Of course, problem solving. Kasi coding teaches you po how to think logically again and solve problems creatively. Kaya nga, I really do believe po that the batches or the generation nowadays, especially po yung ating mga Gen Z, no, di ba? Kung mapapansin nyo po, parang ang galing, mabilis, kumbaga mabilis silang mag-isip, ang galing-galing nila pagdating sa technology, sobrang napaka maaasahan na nila agad-agad, no, compare with the other generation. And of course, ano naman po natin yan, sure naman po tayo dyan, no, even though may nagtatanong po if meron tayong live. Yes po, nasa account po. Ayan. So bear with me po kasi ito lang yung Comunek, no? That's why din kakasimula lang din po namin. Pero don't you worry guys, because it is recorded. So I'm going to create a specific group wherein kapag gusto nyo mag-join, you can access it all the time as long as magsasagot po kayo nung mga requirements natin. So by the way, so just to give you an introduction, magkakaroon po tayo ng 3 forms na sasagutan po ninyo. So one is the pre-assessment, which is, I guess, kasunod na nitong mga nito. Second is the post-assessment. And of course, yung last but not the least, which is, doon po kasi namin malalaman kung, for example, anong level kayo ng Hour of Code, diba? So para mabigyan po namin kayo ng international certificate, which is, of course, coming from the organizations, from ASEAN Foundation, to Break the Fake Movement, and of course, supported po yan ng Google Tag. Alright. So, yes po, ayan na siya. Ayan. So, another thing din po, why should we learn code is, again, future-proof career. So, tech-related jobs are some of the fastest-growing careers worldwide, and understanding coding po gives you a head start. Yan. And it's also, it's fun. Yan. So, students rank coding daw po as one of their favorite subjects right up there with art and music. So that's why, yan po yung reason natin why we are sharing this hour of code. Okay, another one, why start with code.org to learn AI? Okay, so code.org po is, I guess, one of the partner din ng ASEAN Foundation, of course, with parang ito po yung isa sa mga tutulong sa atin, no, for this AI ready ASEAN. So number one, beginner friendly po siya. So some of the activities po are designed to all ages. So whether you're a student, parents, or teacher, meron po siyang mga simple setup. So all we need is just a smartphone, tablet, or a computer. And some activities po don't even require device at all. Yan. And of course, we have also hands-on activity. So instead of dry theory, you'll be learning through interactive games and activities featured pop culture characters. So sabi ko nga, ito yung reason why we are really happy, no? Sharing it to you kasi within an hour, kumbaga mapapractice ka. Kasi of course, marami naman pong system ng coding. Hindi lang po yung mga nakikita nyo na parang all black backgrounds, no? Na tapos mga symbols, mga numbers, and even mga words. But we also have this what we call mga text-based code. Yan. Kasi coding naman is not just all those things na parang feeling nyo is mahirap. Pero this hour of code will definitely give you a chance to practice it and also to make it more parang naglalaro lang pero hindi nyo napapansin, nagko-code na pala kayo. Yan. Okay. So, sino daw po yung pwedeng mag-join, no? Dati po sabi, students lang, educators, parents, and even community members. Pero ito po ay naging open na po sa lahat. So, wala pong problema if you don't have any tech background needed. Ayan, pwede rin po siyang maging online or offline. Usually sa offline, dina-download natin siya. Pero I guess halos lahat naman po tayo is naka-online, lalo na po yung nasa Zoom, no? Na nasa 100, yan. Sana hindi po kayo mawalan ng signal para po at least ay hindi po kayo mawawala sa loob ng Zoom yan. Kasi medyo marami pong pumapasok. By the way, for those po na nandito sa Zoom, you can also share po yung ating, especially my account po, no? So of course, facebook.com official MJ Soriano. So you can go po there para mag-watch. As long as po, again, for the certificate, ang requirement ko lang naman po sa inyo is we have 3 forms na kailangan pong sagutan. So one is the free assessment, which I'm going to give you a little bit later. Another one is the post-assessment. And of course, yung last po, which is kung saan nyo po ilalagay or i-attach yung screenshot po ng inyong hour of code. Yeah. So of course, explain ko po yan a little bit later. For the e-cert po, after po ng webinar, guys, medyo marami po tayo. So today is 16. Siguro po, we're gonna release po yung inyo pong certificate around additional 5 days. So maximum lang po natin yan is August 21. Kasi i-check din po namin, sabi ko nga, there is some requirements, no? 3 po yung form kasi dapat. And guys, ensure nyo lang po that correct po yung inyong email ad. Kasi minsan, sinesend na namin siya, but unfortunately, may mag-chat sa amin na hindi daw nila na-receive yung certificate. And at the same time, please double check din po kasi meron nga po kaming requirement which is the screenshot of your status nung ating hour of code para po alam din namin if talagang ginawa po ba or hindi natin siya ginawa. And a good thing po dito, if you were able to finish ang isang program or isang level or short na hour of code subject mamaya, no? For example, kasi marami yung mga binibigay. So, pwede po kayo magkaroon ng 2 na certificate. One is from the hour of code itself or from the code.org. And ang isa naman po is, yun nga po yung sinasabi ko, na international natin na, what do you call this one? International po natin na certificate. Sir, sorry po, nasa Facebook po natin ang live. Sige, wait lang po ha. Ibigyan ko po kayo ng copy kung medyo struggle kayo to see the live. Yan, share ko na rin dito. Sige po, bear with me. Ayan. Alright. Sige po, ayan, sharing it here in Zoom para po at least kung mahulog man po tayo, no? Ayan, and lambing na rin po ako sa inyo, baka po pwede rin po na palike na rin or follow po ng aking account. Kasi sabi ko nga, once I've reached 10,000 followers po, we're going to start sharing more content po, especially educational. So yan, palambing na lang. Okay, so again, good. Yan. Alright, so yan po yung mga pwede mag-join. Okay. So, Before anything else, guys, ayan. So let's start po our first requirement, which is the pre-assessment and attendance form. So kindly answer it or scan po natin. Okay? Sige, i-ano ko na lang din, i-share ko na lang din po for the meantime. Ayan. Okay, so share ko na lang din po sa ating, of course, Zoom meeting and at the same time din po sa ating Facebook account. Yan. Okay, so here po sa ating comment, for Facebook po, no, nilalagay ko po yung pre-assessment. Ulitin ko po, this is one of the requirements kasi. So, bear with me, tatlo siya. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, sige po. Nasa Facebook Live na po siya. And at the same time din po, dito rin po sa ating Zoom, I'm gonna share it po sa ating chat box. Yan. Okay. Sige po, while you are preparing po for this assessment, sige, pasuyo na lang po. Siguro I'm gonna give you po time for this. Sige, kahit mga 5 minutes lang for us to complete. Okay, let me know if ever po na meron po kayong questions. Ayan. Link does not exist. Oh my God, why? So sige po, ito na lang pang pre-assessment link na ibinigay po natin. Ayan. So bakit kaya siya hindi nag-exist? Sige. Let me know po if nag-exist yung pre-assessment, ha? Ayan. Nan-link po na nandito sa Zoom. Sige, let's have 5 minutes po for this. Kasi medyo mahaba po yan. So, alright, my name po is Maria Jamaica Soriano. Okay. Let's go with 5 minutes, guys. Oh, may problem daw sa Facebook Live. Ano po yung problem? Sige, I'll double check po, ha? Sige. So far naman po ay continue po tayo sa Facebook Live. Meron na rin po nagko-comment. Andun na rin po yung assessment form. So, ayun. Baka po hindi lang po, ayan. No problem po for those po na nasa Facebook Live po and they are telling that they gonna have, ayan, hindi na daw po kasi sila makapasok sa Zoom. So, yeah, acceptable yan. So, go lang po tayo. Okay. So, I guess yung iba medyo nahuhulog sa Zoom. So, balik lang po kayo. No problem for that. Alright. Sige, wait po natin. Okay. Yan. So, 3 minutes and 52 na lang po seconds. And of course, can I ask na rin po sa inyong chat box if done na po kayo with P-assessment. So, para at least makita natin at ma-monitor natin kung done. Ano daw po ang name ko? It's Maria Jamaica Soriano po. Ayan. Sige. Ilagay ko po dito. No? Ayan. Maria Jamaica Soriano. Hindi ako sanay na ginagamit yung tunay kong pangalan. Pero kasi hindi nila, I guess yung tunay na pangalan ko yung nakalagay. Ayan po. Kinomment na po ng aking isang account. Okay. Sabi niya, same po ba yung pre-assessment sa our code ni Sir Alan, ma'am, kanina? Yes po, pareho po siya. Ayan. Okay, so if you attend, I mean, me and Sir Alan po is the same, the same po kami as part po ng Break the Fake Movement. Ayan. So if, kung meron na po kayo sa kanya, tapos na po, so wait na lang po natin yung certificate kasi same din naman po tayo na gagawin. But if you really want still to join this one, okay din naman po, wala naman pong problema. Okay, so last 2 minutes. Yan. Thank you, Sir AJ. Ayan. Si Sir AJ, kanina pa yan nasa webinar ko. Huwag kang magsasawa. Ayan. Sunod-sunod lang yung schedule, guys. So, in fairness naman. Ayan. Okay, sige po. Done. Alright, may mga nakatapos na. Sige po, wala pong problema. Wala din naman po tayo nagmamadali, no? Okay, by the way, again, I'm going to create a specific group wherein you can access po kung ano yung napag-aralan ngayon or kung ano po yung ginawa natin. So if ever po for those busy people, no, I encourage you po to ask lang me to join this one or register lang po tayo. And of course, I'm gonna give you, para hindi na rin po tayo parang, of course, parang paulit-ulit, no? So for those lang naman na malilate, So at least you can still have the chance. But again, you need to give the requirements po, which for me kasi is 3. Ayan. I don't know with others. I guess 2 lang yun sa kanila. But for me kasi, I want to check if talaga po na pumasok po kayo with hour of code. And of course, ang target talaga natin is ma-finish natin yung hour of code within the time. Okay, sorry po ma'am, hindi po mahanap ng friends ko yung FB Live. Okay, so, pero binigay niyo po ba yung link? Ayan. Bakit kaya hindi niya makuha? Sige, pero thank you for the feedback po. This will be, ano na lang, this will be considered po in the next one. By the way, we're going to have this one din po possible before end of the month. Ayan, so abang-abang lang po tayo. Ayan, kasi I'm having trouble then sharing into MVJ Training Consultancy Services page and sa YouTube kanina. Hindi nga lumalabas yung recording kanina, pero it's okay. Facebook shows po error for this content isn't available. Okay, bakit kaya? Sige. Anyway po, if not po, this is recorded again. I'm gonna create po a public post. So kung you are following my group, which is the free webinar and online, free webinar and training with certificate, automatic po, i-share ko po dyan kung saan po kayo magjo-join at kung saan nyo po papanoorin yung ating recorded. Okay, ayaw po nung link. Bakit kaya ayaw nung link? Ano pong link ang ayaw, ma'am? Yung assessment form or yung Facebook group, yung Facebook page po or account? I guess nakaano naman po ako. Yung Facebook page po. Ayan na rin. Sige po. I guess naka-public naman po ako. Yan. So, sige. Okay lang po yan. Gagawa natin yan ng paraan in the near future. Basta po. Yan. Alright. So, ayan. So, tapos na po yung pre-assessment natin. Okay. So, ngayon po, yan. So, just wanna continue lang po. This one, no? Okay. So, kung done na po, lahat po ba done na? Can you please pa-flash po ulit ng pre-assessment? Okay, thank you. Ayan ma'am, yung pre-assessment. But if you are having troubles with that, ito po, i-post ko na lang po ulit sa message natin, no? Ayan. Okay. Sige po. Alright, so for continuation of this, ayan tayo. So just wanna give you lang guys, ito na po yung pinaka-proper natin. Ayan. So meron po tayong sort of a schedule, no? Na 5 to 10 minutes daw po is like the opening. Though, of course, medyo marami akong idinaldal sa inyo kanina. So welcoming participants, ayan, pre-test, and 25 to 45 minutes po is the main activity, which is diving into these activities na. And of course, 5 to 10 minutes is just to wrap up po yung closing natin. So though nilagay ko po na 8 p.m. dito, I'm just targeting it guys to at least, kung kaya nga natin ng 7 o'clock or at least 7:30 po, pinaka-maximum na natin. Alright. Sige po. Ayan, thank you very much po for sharing the pre-assessment po, Miss JD. Appreciated po yan. Alright, so next is how to create an account. Ayan, sige. Wag na po ito yung i-discuss natin, but let's go na po, no, direkta. So, let's go po with what we call code.org. Yan, nabubulol na. Okay. Sige, I'm just gonna copy this and also again share po sa ating. Yan. Share ko po sa ating. Alright. Sige, gets nyo po ba siya? Hello din. Yan, sa mga nag-hi. Okay. Sige po. So, punta po tayo sa https:/code.org or www.code.org. Yan. So, dapat po yan yung itsura nung sa atin. Okay, so lagay ko rin po sa ating comment section yung ating code.org. Yan, for Facebook naman. Okay, alright. So, if lahat po tayo is nandito na sa loob, so you just need lang po to create your account. And once you're going to create an account, ayan, tatanungin po kayo kung ano po yung pinaka-account na gusto nyo. So, ako kasi meron ng account. Pero if ever po that wala pa po kayo, please choose students. Ayan. Sige, pakita na lang natin yung... Ayan. So, ayun nga po. So, go tayo with http://code.org. Ayan. And then, After po nito is click create account. Ayan. So, pag nag-create na po kayo ng account, click naman po yung sign up as a student naman po tayo. Ayan. So, itong left na to yung sasagutan or i-open natin. Okay. Then once po na nandun na kayo, pwede po kayong mamili kung ano po yung sign up method na gagamitin niyo. Pwede po kayong mag-sign up using an existing Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or yung mga Clever account natin without having a set of passwords. Yan. And you can also sign up directly using an email address and setting up your password. So it's your choice po kung ano po ang gagawin nyo. Sabi ni Miss Charlene, 1 hour po ba ito? Meron po kasi tayong tinatawag na, yun nga po, of course, sabi ko nga hindi naman. So, if possible po that you can do it at home then, wala din pong problema. Pero yung mga ibibigay ko pong link mamaya, no, please ensure lang po na masagutan natin para mabigyan ko po kayo ng certificate. Yan, okay? Pwede po siya. Yung iba po, minsan meron kasi siyang mga activities which is I'm going to explain a little bit later. Meron po yan, no? Meron po sila na natatapos nila yon ng parang 7 level lang. Once done na po sila with the 7 level, automatic lumalabas na po yung certificate nila. So I suggest you, you save that or screenshot nyo po yun kasi yun po yung isa sa mga requirements natin. Kung matatapos nyo siya, screenshot nyo po yung certificate. If not, kahit po yung maximum level lang po na kaya nyo pong gawin. Para at least is, as part of the requirements is makikita po. Alright. So, once po na nandito na kayo, nakapag-sign up na po kayo, you just need lang to complete your account. Ayan. Okay, done na daw sila for creating account. Ang galing. Ayan, complete your account. Okay. Navigate the platform so we can explore po yung hour of code na tinatawag. So, let's go po with code.org. Thinking that all of you po is nandito na. Ayan. Okay. So once po na nandito na kayo, again, so for those po na may idea na what is this, okay, you can really go with Hour of Code already. But for those po na wala pa, we can, sabayan nyo po ako, pwede po yan. Okay? So for me po, pwede kasi dito sa dashboard, ayan, pwede rin namang dito sa course catalog. So if you will notice po, meron po akong mga courses na still nandyan pa. But I suggest po once na nandito na po kayo, yan, sige. Wait lang po, nawala. Yan. So you can go with course catalog. And then for the course catalog, meron po kayong mga makikitang ganito. So medyo nasa baba po yung hour of code natin. Ayan. So nasa additional resources siya and ito po yung hour of code. So mas maganda po i-explore nyo lang yung mismong hour of code na tinatawag. Okay, done na po creating my dashboard. Alright, sige po. Saan po magla-login? Kakapasok ko lang. Okay, check nyo lang po, code.org. Yan, www.code.org, ma'am. Yan. Okay, so once na nandito na po kayo, explore lang po natin yung hour of code. And ganito na po yung magiging itsura niya. Yan. So dati po, merong mga sinasuggest na parang courses that you can create for each sector. For example, kung parents ka, kung student ka, or sabihin natin mga community leaders, no? May mga sinasuggest. But now, guys, it's open na po for whatever course you really want to. Ayan. So, ang may mga medyo sikat for this hour of code activity is si Minecraft. Ayan. And explore ito din. Tong jump session, okay din po yan. Alright. So, I suggest po you go down pa. Ayan. So, explore hour of code activities. And then, you just need to open this one. Ayan. Tapos, mas maganda rin po para at least talagang short lang yung course na makukuha po ninyo, i-filter na lang po natin dito sa may left side. Hoping lahat po is nakakasunod. Ayan. So, dito po sa left side natin, meron po ditong 1 hour. Ayan, yung length. So, i-press nyo lang yung 1 hour na yan para at least ma-filter siya na 1 hour lang yung makukuha natin. So, ito guys yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, meron mga pre-reader, may grade 2 to 5, grade 6 to 8, and grade 9 plus, no? So, it looks like parang ang dali-dali. But the truth po, pag nasa loob na po kayo niyan, medyo challenging din siya. So, marami po siya, ayan. Marami, kasi po ako naka-teacher account kasi ako, that's why meron ako nito. Host an hour, read the hour of code guide. So, ayan. But for you po, you can really check out lang, yan. So, whatever you want po. So, let's try one. Okay, so for example, this one, AI for Ocean. Yan. So, when you open the AI for Ocean, yan siya. You just need to start, of course. Tapos, meron po tayong mga video directions na pwede nyo pong panoorin. But if you don't like naman, wala naman din pong problema. For example, parang excited na talaga kayo. Ayan. And kung mapapansin nyo po, AI for Oceans is hanggang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hanggang 8 level lang siya. So, if you're going to finish it 8, matik po yan. Meron na po kayong chance para sa certificate ni Hour of Code. Okay. Sige, continue. Yan. Diba? So this is just a simple one. So what we're going to do is we need to follow lang kung ano yung sinasabi dito. For example, ito sabi niya, garbage dump in the water affects marine life. So in this activity, you will program or train AI to identify fish or trash and let's clean up the ocean. So click anywhere on the screen to continue. So for example, ayan. So, let's meet AI. Okay, so ito daw po yung AI. So, continue lang. So, AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images po and identify patterns. So, ma'am, lahat po ba kami mag-AI for oceans? Hindi po. You can really explore other free hour of code, no? So, ito lang isinasample ko po para po at least makita nyo po siya. Ayan. Para makita nyo po siya on how you're going to use. Ayan. Okay, so feeling ko nawawalan sila ng wifi. Ulitin ko po. Ayan. So, punta po kayo again sa Hour of Code. Sige. I-copy ko na to, tapos i-share ko na lang po dito sa chat box. Yan. So, para at least direkta na po kayo with Hour of Code. Sige, I'll share it with the Facebook, also live. Yan. Okay. So, sorry. So, para at least direkta na po kayo with the Hour of Code. Yan. Alright. So, pag nandito na po kayo, pili lang po kayo kung ano yung gusto po ninyo, no? So, ako kanina, ang pinili ko is AI for Ocean, no? Para medyo mas madali for showing po. Pero, yung iba naman, they are also looking for this one. For example, ang pinaka-favorite sa mga courses na to is Minecraft. So, if you want Minecraft later on po. Pinaka-challenging dito, ito. Make a floppy game. Okay. Anyway, so, continue po of this, ayan na siya. So, we just need to follow lang. So, para lang tayong naglalaro. Kaya nga sabi natin, this is just like a text-based coding for us, no? Kasi nga, this is as an introduction for us. By the way po, this AI Ready ASEAN po is not just our code, pero hanggang December 2025 po, this will be a project of us, of course, together with Break the Fake Movement. And marami po sila, totally 4 po sila. So, wag po kayong, if you really want to join with the different organizations, wala naman pong problema. Kasi almost the same lang din naman. In the near future po, especially with 2026, which is the sabihin natin is third phase of this specific project, magkakaroon naman po ng 12 hours training. So, ang good thing po dito, you were able to join us na ngayon. So, kahit po paano, kayo na yung mga ilan sa mga pwedeng mag-join or kumbaga parang sort of priority, no, in the near future para mabigyan ng invite for that 12-hour AI deep, ano na po yun, deep lessons na. Ayan. So, of course, but din po is 2026. So, I hope nandyan pa rin po kayo. Of course, we have your email na. So, check it out na lang po in the near future. And ang maganda po dito, this is free. Diba? So, if ever po there will be a chance that there will be some face-to-face training, sobrang maganda siya kasi opportunity na din po natin tutunan. Okay, so ayan na. So, AI does not know if the object is a fish. So, continue nyo lang po. So, you just need lang to put yan. So, the program AI use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. So, the training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. So, let's get started. Okay, so ayan. So, tinatanong, is this fish? Of course, not fish. Not fish. Not fish. 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 So, bibigyan pa po kayo ng, some parang sort of fun facts. So, like, did you know 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each day, each year? Or so, continue nyo lang. Is this fish? So, you just need lang to continue. Yeah. So, for this one, not fish, of course. Fish, not fish. So, para lang po tayong naglalaro. But this is just one of the games lang, guys. Siyempre, madami po yan. And all of this is some of the other additional pana information for us. So 80% of ocean pollution daw comes from the land debris and estimated the cost of 13 billion. Ayan. So we'll repeat the mistake. So AI learns from your choices. So if you make wrong choices, AI daw po will repeat your mistakes. So keep training. Yan. I guess may napindot ako kanina na hindi. So simple lang siya. Yan. So if you want to try this one, so please choose po itong AI for Ocean. So if this is the one that you like. Yan. So the more data you provide AI, the more it learns. So keep training AI or continue when ready. So ito pong mga tips na to na binibigay po sa atin, no, is like the same of what AI can bring us. So si AI po, the more na binibigay natin sa kanya is yung mga data na meron po tayo, the more na mas naiintindihan nila yung mga bagay-bagay. So again, Hour of Code is not just for you to have fun or maglaro lang tayo, but of course, teaching us, no, how we're going to start to learn more about AI and of course, coding. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, kayo po ang bahala. Yan, kung hanggang kailan nyo po siya gagawin. But for me po, I'm just gonna show you the others din kasi. So, once na nag-level up to, ayan, I'm gonna stop na po for this. Okay? Again, this is not just the one that I'm suggesting. You can explore also the other one. Yan. Later on, let's open the Minecraft para masaya. Ayan. Okay. Anyway, so, sige po, para medyo ano. So, this is one of the simplest po, no, na hour of code natin. But if you want to make a little bit more hard para po sa atin, or baka naman po sa akin lang, ayan. So, meron po tayo dito like the Minecraft. Sige, let's open this. This is the favorite one. Okay. I hope guys, you medyo tahimik kayo ngayon sa chat box, so it means you are doing it po, no? So sige, let's try po, sabay-sabay tayo. Ayan. So merong Minecraft Adventurer, merong Hero's Journey, merong Voyage Aquatic. So let's go with this one. Ayan, try natin yung curriculum na. Ayan. Okay. So kung mapapansin nyo, hanggang ngayon nasa level 3 pa lang ako, no? Sabagay nakakailan pa lang din kasi ako. So let's try it. Ayan. So, when you open it, ayan na. So, si Minecraft kasi, ayan. So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, si Minecraft naman, ang way naman po niya, is like, of course, giving you this one. Ayan. Ship sharing time. So, use share command to gather yung wool from the boat ships. Ayan. So, meron po tayo dito. Ito yung mga codes natin here in the left side. So, from the blocks. So, meron tayong move forward, turn left, turn right, and then shear. Okay? So, try nga natin kasi meron na nakalagay dito. So, sabi niya, when run, move forward, then shear. Try natin. So, let's run. Ayan. Okay, nag-share siya. So, sabi niya, try using more commands to gather wool from both ships. So, walk to each one and use the share command. Okay. So, siguro kasi kulang siya. Di ba? Na-share na niya yung dalawa. So, kailangan mag-move right siya. Ayan. Tapos, kailangan niya mag-move forward ulit. Ayan. Tapos, pag naka-move forward na siya, is mag-share siya ulit. Okay? So, once that meron na siya, ayan, let's try po ulit to reset. And then, i-run po ulit natin siya. So, it shows lang na parang ito po yung text, ito yung text, text code natin. So, we're putting it here. So, sabi nga, kapag nag-run siya, move forward. So, move forward, move forward. So, usually ito blocks kasi to. So, nakadalawang blocks. So, move forward, and then shear. And then, after one, kapag na-shear na niya, kailangan niyang mag-turn ng right, which is dito. Then, move forward ulit para naman ma-shear niya ulit yung isa. Okay? So, that's the story behind that. So, let's see kung tama. Yan. Alright, okay. So, if you will notice, kung magawa natin yung code na nire-request niya, ayan, you just wrote 6 lines of code. So, yung ginawa natin is like a text-based code na yun yung effort or yun yung magiging action na gagawin ng ating Minecraft. So, yeah, let's try to continue. Okay. So, again, another for instructions, especially po with Minecraft, which is the most of the favorites. So, nasabi niya dito, we need to build the house before the sun goes down. So, houses require a lot of wood. So, cut down all 3 trees. Ayan. So, syempre, first thing that we need to do is to search for the trees. Ang question is, nasan yung trees, di ba? So, for those instructions, mag-iisip ka na kaagad nasaan yung trees na yan. So, eto ba tong mga trees na yan? Ayan. Okay, so let's see if that is the trees. Okay. So, bago ako makapunta dun sa tree na yon, ilan siya? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try muna natin So, we put some blocks here to get you started. Ayan, meron na pala siya. So, parang when run daw, move forward, tatlo. So, 1, 2. Sige, 1, 2, 3 ba yan? Ayan. Sige, let's try this to run, no? Para at least makita natin. Okay, so this is 1. Ayan. So, ito yung mga tinatawag natin na, what you call this one? Mga trees, itong tatlo na to. Sige, let's reset. Okay. So, meron na tayo dito. Pagka-forward niya is, of course, destroy the block. Ayan. Tapos, turn left. So, bilangin natin kung ilan. So, 1, 2, move forward. So, I guess I need to put 1, move forward ulit dito. Tapos, destroy the block again. And once na-destroy na ulit natin yung block, so 1, 2, destroy the block. So, kailangan niyang mag-turn left. After niya mag-turn left, kailangan din natin ulit magpa-move forward ulit. Move forward. And then, destroy block. Okay? So, again, these are the text-based code that we need to create para magawa natin yung mission na sabi niya, cut down all three. Okay? So, let's see. Let's try to run it. Okay. Destroy, and then go left. 2, 3. Okay, kulang ako, di ba? Kulang ako ng isang block. Alright, so sabi niya, you must destroy the block, command and H. Okay, so let's reset. So, I guess kulang ako ng move forward. Ayan. So, pwede tayo maglagay dito ulit. Ayan, isa pa. So, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Tapos, destroy. Sige, let's try ulit. Ayan. By the way, ito yung maganda with Minecraft. So, sige, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Then, 1, 2. Okay, so hindi siya. So, kailangan ko pa ulit isa pang move forward, no? Bago mag-left side. Ayan. Okay. Sige. So, I guess dito na yung move forward ko after nung destroy block. Okay. Ito lang yung maganda dito kasi kahit papano, sabi natin hindi kayo ganun ka-techy nga or kumbaga parang medyo nalilito-lito kayo. You can really parang enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo and then check it, 'di ba? So napapractice yung gana ng isip natin. And kumbaga parang you are trying to solve things but in a fun way. Ayan. Sige, para lang tayong naglalaro ulit or bumabalik po pagka. Sige, let's run ulit. Okay. Yan. Alright. So I guess correct na ako. O hindi pa rin. So it means may something dun sa dapat dito. Ayan, 'di ba? So, kumbaga kapag ganito yung gagawin mo, asing mag-iisip ka. By the way po, ang maganda rin dito, example, there is some instructions, no? Hindi siya mostly pare-pareho. It depends on the one na naglalaro ng Minecraft. Basta ang maganda dito, kung ano yung pinaka-goal natin, yun yung gagawin natin. Like for example, kung sabi niya 3 trunks, no? Ikaw ang bahala o kung ilang beses ka mag-move, kung ilang beses ka mag-move forward, tapos kung paano mo siya i-destroy. Okay, so I'm gonna reset again. Ayan. So, siguro, move forward ulit. So, madedestroy niya yung block. Magto-turn left siya. So, I need one more, and then isa. And then destroy block. So, parang I don't need na to move forward or hindi. 1. Okay, so move forward. Another move forward. Try natin another one. So, it's like a trial. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, that's the wrong. Dapat wala na siyang, ayan, parang dapat pagka-turn left niya, wala na to, diba? Okay, ulitin natin. Parang dapat wala nang move forward na isa. Pagka-destroy. Okay. So, ito, tanggalin, So, ito is tanggalin na natin. Ayan. Tapos, balik na natin. Okay. O, run ulit. Ayan. Okay. Alright. So, ayan. Sa awa ng Diyos, no, biglang na-solve na. Okay. So, Imagine niyo po, even ages like us, no, nagkakaroon siya ng, kapag hindi nga masyado din siya na nagagawa, usually, no, nagkakaroon siya ng mga ganito. Pero the good thing with this is, you can still do it, no? Kayo po ang bahala. Yan, okay? Sige, close ko lang po ito. So if you want to explore more, marami pa po dito. So this is just of the again, the examples lang. So AI for Oceans, ayan, poem art, okay, may mga dance party pa, ayan. So it is like how you're going to check po kung ano po yung pinakagusto niyo. So lahat po ito ay pwede niyo pong i-explore. Ayan. Yung iba po, no, mga anak nila yung pinapasagot nila. Ayan, kasi nga daw yung mga anak nila magagaling pagdating dito. Okay, anyway, so sige pa. Sabi niya nakaka-excite naman. Opo, 'di ba? Imaginein po ninyo, no. Yung palang way na yon is you're already doing the coding, no. Sabi nga text-based coding kasi siya. Which one is this again? Minecraft Adventure. Okay, ulitin ko po. Pag nandito na po kayo sa Hour of Code, you can go to Minecraft. Ayan. Minecraft Hour of Code. And once you open po ito, dito po yan sa baba, meron po tayong Minecraft Voyage, Minecraft Heroes Journey. Ito po siya. Minecraft Adventure. Okay? So once na nandito na po kayo, you just need to explore the curriculum and the rest. Yan, and the rest po will follow. Sabi ni nakakawala ng boredom, galing, o 'di ba? Tapos hindi mo na-imagine yung utak natin gumagana and kahit pa paano nagiging more ano na tayo, parang of course yung creative thinking natin mas nakukuha, critical thinking natin as well, 'di ba? Parang paano kaya natin i-solve to? And alam naman po natin yung buhay natin usually doon siya tumatak. Okay. Anyway, so those are samples po of this one. So hindi ko na po patatagalin. I'm gonna give you po the one again of the requirements for the certificate po na ibibigay ko po sa inyo, which is the post assessment. Ayan. So bear with me guys kung bakit medyo madami siya. So this is the pre, di ba? Ayan. Sige, let's go with the post assessment naman. Sige. Sige, yung post-assessment natin, sige po, I'm gonna try po to have that. Sige, stop share po muna ako. I'm gonna search first muna. Sige, while you're doing that, while you're doing your Minecraft po or whatever po yung pinili po ninyo. So, I'm just gonna search lang po for the post. Yan. Yan. Okay, sige, hanapin natin tong post-assessment na to. Saan kayo? Parang nakakaantok pala yung ano ko. Dapat pa hindi pala to. Ay, hindi kasi nagre-run pa rin yung Minecraft ko. Sige. I'll close it na lang. Parang ito yung maganda. Sige. Anyway. Pre-assessment, of course, post-assessment is coming. Sige, wait lang po. Sige, enjoy po muna kayo dyan. Yan. So again, once po na natapos nyo siya, you can have your two, ano po, no? What do you call this one? Certificate. One is from the code. One is from the code.org and one naman po is for the, what do you call this one? From us, which is the participation naman for this Hour of Code training. Okay? So, sige. So, enjoy nyo po muna ang inyong coding. Ayan. And malapit ko na pong maibigay sa inyo. Ayan. So, nakita ko na yung post-assessment form natin. Okay. So, I'm gonna share na lang ulit po yung screen natin. Sige. May naman ako ng reactions dyan kung na-enjoy nyo naman yung ating short activity, di ba? May iba pa nga po, sabi niya, usually po ba more on AI type siya? Hindi po, iba-iba po siya, no? Yung iba po, parang sort of game, yan. Meron po ako mga, if you want to share your story din pala, no? Message me lang kasi we have also AI story for this. Parang, we're giving you chance po to be known po and post and break the fake movement po. So just reach me out and then share whatever your feelings is kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na AI story. 'Di ba? Yung mga nakikita ko po na comment nyo na nakaka-enjoy, ang tawag dito, para lang ako naglalaro, 'di ba, nakaka-excite, no? Please share it with me po. Ayan. Okay, so ito po yung post-link assessment. Again, this is not yet the last one po. Oh. Meron pa po tayong isa ha, which is yun po yung babasihan po ulit ng attendance. Pag wala po kayo dun sa form na yun, hindi po ako makakapag-issue ng inyong certificate. Kasi syempre, dino-double check din po yan sa amin. Okay, so this is the post-assessment po, which is shared na po sa ating chat box. And a little bit later po ay makikita nyo po yung ating attendance form naman, wherein doon nyo po ilalagay ang inyo naman pong, what do you call this one? Ang inyo pong proof na kayo po ay nag-hour of code talaga. Siyempre, yan naman ang gusto natin dyan. Okay. Alright, by the way, next time po ulit, I'm just gonna share po the group wherein you can really access all of the discussion and then you can do the step-by-step procedures on, like, for example, from pre-assessment to post-assessment hanggang sa attendance po natin. Para po at least ay even hindi po tayo live is you have the chance po no to experience itong discussion. Okay, and last but not the least, ayan. So hindi naman sa pina-pressure ko po kayo, no? Sabi niya, okay lang po ba kahit hindi makagame, ma'am? The truth, this is hour of code kasi. So, pag hindi nyo natapos, ganito lang po siya, pag hindi nyo po natapos yung hour of code, halimbawa, ang i-attach nyo po sa certificate ninyo ay hindi siya certificate, usually, isa lang yung makukuha natin, which is coming from us, which is participation. Kaya lang, bago po kami mag-issue ng certificate, we really want to see if you were able to try, even open po, no, yung mismong website ng code.org. Kasi, that's the goal. I mean, this is the introduction for AI. So, meron pa tayong mas deeper course in the near future, but this is the introduction. That's why we really want you to have this one. Okay, so that is the second requirement for our certificate. Again, once you're able to finish the level, kung ano man po yung nilalaro po ninyo sa hour of code, or yung kinocode po ninyo with the hour of code, you will going to have 1 hour of code certificate of completion, which is coming po with code.org. And if ever po na hindi kayo natapos, parang level natin, sabihin natin is 1 or 2 or 5 lang, screenshot nyo lang po yan, both certificate and yung level, and then yan po yung i-attach natin dito. Okay. So, ano po ito? So, this is the attendance one. And ito po ang pinaka na dapat meron tayo. Pero again, dapat 3 naman din talaga siya. So, this is the form po, which is ito po yung lalagyan nyo po ng, what do I call this one? Ng inyong screenshot kung anong level na po kayo. Okay? So, again, ulitin ko po, we have the pre-assessment. Yan. We have the pre-assessment form. We have the post-assessment. Ayan. Okay. And we have also the attendance. So, bear with us. Sabi ko nga, medyo madami siya. So, yun po yung mga sasagutan natin. Complete the 3 and the rest will follow po. Ayan. And of course, yung pong ating what do you call this one? Yung pong ating hour of code. At the end of the day, it's like how we're going to enjoy itong mga hour of code activities natin. Yun naman po yung reason then why of course, the organizations choose this application or website. Yan. Okay, ulitin ko po. We have the pre-assessment, which is sinagutan nyo na po kanina bago po tayo mag-hour of code. And then next po is the post-assessment. So si pre and si post po, usually dumadirect po yan sa ating mga partners. So sa Break the Fake Movement, sa ASEAN Foundation, no, sila po yung nakakakita niyan. And for the last one, which is the one that we're going to decide if you're going to have a certificate or not, which is kung saan nyo po ilalagay yung certificate po ninyo, is dun sa ating attendance. Okay, so once na nasagutan nyo po yung 3, wait na lang po tayo hanggang August 21, then isasend na lang po namin ang inyong mga certificate. Usually yung certificate issuance namin ay nasa isang Google Drive, so you just need lang to click the link of that and then makikita nyo na po. No, for this August po, batch na po kayo ng online batch 1 po kayo ng online. So hoping po that before August 31, we were able to have then ulit ganitong short activity. Ayan. Alright. 3 po ang form, ma'am. Again, pre-assessment, post-assessment, and the attendance form po. Okay? So, yung link po, it shows lang na the same post-assessment. Sorry. Sorry. Mali ba ako ng ito po dapat yon. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ba siya? Dapat po ito siya. Attendance form. Tapos, kung mapapansin niyo po, nakalagay po dito, meron siyang proof of hour of code activity. Oh, walang ganito. Sige, sige. I'm sorry. Sige, share na lang natin. Baka ibang ano siya. Ito. Let me know. Thank you for those reminding this one. Okay. Sige, share natin ulit. Sige, kung kapareho siya ng post, sorry naman. Ayan. Ayan, sige po, pa-try nga po ako nito. Kung okay na. Sorry. Ayan. Sige, baka sa Facebook din is ganun. Sige, let me know if correct po. Hindi pala natin nakote ng maayos. Sige, I'll try nga din to open. Ayan, so attendance form na siya. Okay, so ayan. Alright. So I hope po ma-attach nyo po dyan, no? Whatever level man po yan, wala pong problema kahit 2 or 3 lang po yan as long that you were able to enjoy po yung ating activity for now. And of course, this is for text-based. And by the way, your information po is safe with us because we follow data privacy naman po. So in the near future po, we're going to send you another invite if ever po that you will be given po, no, a chance na kumbaga ay magkaroon po tayo at ma-join po namin kayo with the long 12 hours training. Screenshot lang po ang ilalagay. Sir, sasagutan niyo po yung form and then screenshot po ng inyong status sa hour of code. So yung iba po ang ginagawa nila, tinatapos muna nila for certificate, makakuha sila ng code of code.org certificate of completion for hour of code. So kumbaga kung 7 levels yon, natapos mo yung 7 levels, i-screenshot nila yon and then i-send nila yon as part of the attachment nitong form naman na to. So at least, dalawa na po yung certificate ninyo. Pwede po bang pa-send nung link ng pre-assessment? Okay, sige, hanapin natin yung pre-assessment and then i-copy natin siya. Siguro nawawala po kayo kanina sa ano. Sige. Alright, pre-assessment. Ayan, copy link. Sige. Ma'am, wala po yung hour of code. Ano po ang wala sa hour of code, ma'am? Ma'am, wala po ako ng hour of code. Bakit po kayo walang hour of code? Yan, hindi po ba kayo maka-open? Sige, wait po. I-share ko po sa inyo yung link tapos try nyo po siya. So, other people din po kasi syempre meron naman din po tayong time pa talaga totally, no? Hindi naman po siya agad-agad na mabibigay po sa inyo certificate. We have 5 days po. So, what other people po do is they keep po yung ating mga links. For example, the pre-assessment, the post-assessment, and the attendance. Tapos, yun nga po, tinatapos nila yung code of hour of code and then that's the time po na i-attach nila. Minsan, yung iba umaabot ng lagpas 1 hour. So, again, it's your choice kung ano po yung gusto po ninyong gawin. Ma'am, ano po yung i-attach na image po? Screenshot lang po ng status nyo po ng hour of code. So, example guys, ayan siya. Kuwari, nandito ka, ayan. So, parang feeling mo nahirapan ka na or something. You just need to screenshot it, yan. Tapos, once po na na-screenshot nyo na siya, lagyan nyo lang po siya ng inyong pangalan. For example, is sabihin natin na pangalan ko is MJ Soriano. Yan, hour of code. Yan. Save nyo lang siya, then ito yung i-attach natin dun sa inyo pong attendance form. So at least, katunayan na tinry nyo. And of course, meron naman po kayong na-enjoy kahit pa paano. Ayan. So si Sir nag-screenshot. Uy, grabe na yung level ni Sir. Ano level? Level 7 na si Sir Bob. Oh. Sige. Yes po. Pwede po yan, Sir Bob. Yan. Katunayan na umattend ka and at the same time ay katunayan din po na kayo po ay nag-hour of code. Ma'am, pasend po nung pre-assessment. Okay, pre-assessment. Sige po, hindi nyo na po ba makita yung ano natin? Parang hindi kayo maka-backwards. Attach image. Okay, nasagot ko na siya. Yung SS po ba ng progress yung ilalagay sa attendance? Yes po. Kung meron kayong certificate of completion, kung natapos nyo siya, congratulations. If not po, kahit po yung level nyo lang. Ayan. For example, naisip nyo, ayoko na, pagod na ako, pagod na ako. Ayan. So, at least po yung level nyo po. Ayan. Need pa po ba upload ngayon or pwede later? Pwede po mamaya, wala pong problema. But please, get all the links na needed po ninyo. Sa bagay, sa live po sa account ko, if we are friends or kumbaga fina-follow nyo po ako, makikita nyo po yung mga links doon sa baba. And by the way, again, sabi ko nga, I'm planning to have an educational, more educational content pag 10K followers po ako or friends. So, hoping po that we can add each other din. So, nag-accept din po ako ng mga friends. Ayan. Ma'am, nagsasarado po ba yung link ng Sesendan? In fairness po, hindi naman. Ayan. So, open po yan. Kasi yan po yung parang pinaka-list natin. Of course, we have target of attendees. So, open po yan kahit mga hanggang tomorrow. So, if you want, ayan. Kasi, sabi ko nga makagawa naman tayo ng certificate or may send natin yung certificate around August 21 pa. So you still have time po kung hindi talaga kayang matapos ngayon. But please keep the links with you, the pre-assessment, the post-assessment, and the attendance. If you have the chance as well, you can also send an email to us para at least ma-sure natin, para if ever nakukuha po kayo ng certificate, is meron pa tayong mga more proofs. Pwede po yan. Ma'am, okay, pa-send po ng pre-assessment. Ayan. So, ayan po. Pasuyo po ako, ma'am. Na-reply ko na po sa Zoom. Pwede po yan, Sir Bob, yung screenshot ninyo. Ma'am, paano kapag napasa ko yung certificate? Yes, pwede po yun. Kasi yun nga po yung mas maganda kasi may certificate ka na, may participation ka pa. Yan. How about certificate yung ilalagay po? Yes po, pwede po. Ma'am, nasa phone po ako, nag-game. Di ko po siya ma-play. Okay, bakit kaya hindi mo siya ma-play? Baka po wala kang internet or naka-data po tayo, which is sabihin natin may specific applications lang. So if not, sir, you can download it po sa Google, sabi natin kung Android po kayo sa Google Play. For iOS naman, you can go to application. Hanapin nyo lang po doon Hour of Code. Then download it, play it, kung anong level kayong matapos, screenshot, and then attach nyo lang po sa attendance. Ma'am, pasend po nung pre-assessment. Okay, ayan ma'am. So, I hope na-reply ko siya. Na-late po ako ng pasok. Oh my God. Ayan, sige. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, may replay po tayo. Naka-record na siya. And at the same time din po, naka-live po siya sa aking Facebook account. So, you can go with that po para makahabol po kayo. And all of the links po are included na sa comment section ng aking Facebook account. Ma'am, paano kapag napasa ko yung certificate? Pwede po ba yun? Yes po, that's very good kasi certificate of completion yun. So, congratulations. Done attendance form, ma'am. Okay, thank you very much po. For those po na done na attendance, you can exit. Mag-photo opportunity pala muna tayo kasi we were going to share this one also with Break the Fake Movement page. Yan. Okay, yeah. Sige po, done na po. Alright, can I ask po for your name po? Ma'am, nandun yung name ko sa ating, sige po, ilagay ko na lang dito, ma'am. Replyan lang kita tapos open tayo ng copy. Alright, so ito po siya. Okay. For those po na nagko-comment sa ating Facebook Live, I will answer it po a little bit later. So wait lang po kayo. Ayan. Done po, done lahat. Ma'am, pwede po pa-accomplish, pa-compile naman po ng link. Oh my God, John, you can check out my Facebook account. Nandun po sa comment na yon lahat. So, ayan. Pasuyo na lang po, John. Ayan. Pwede po pa-send ulit ng attendance link. Na-answer ko po kanina is post-assessment. Okay, sige po, kaya natin. Pero yung compiling kasi ng link, medyo madami siya. So, baka hindi ko alam niyo yun. So, pasuyo na lang din po. Kung hindi naabot, go to my Facebook account. Ayan. Sige, wait lang po nawala din siya. Okay, anyway, ayan, attendance. Alright, so itong may okay na po. Okay, so here is the attendance. Ayan, ma'am, pwede po compile ng link. Ayan, medyo madami siya. Na-answer ko po is po assessment. Okay, this is the attendance. Okay, di ko po ma-play sa phone ko. Ay, pwede na ma-download. Yes po, sobrang dami ko kasi ng link. Ayan, sorry po but this is a requirement din kasi. So, of course, gusto natin is makuha nyo po din talaga yung ating Okay, and this will be used po. By the way, we're gonna be used po for more innovation. Plus, safe naman po yan, so don't worry. Where can I see more webinars? Ayan, thank you very much, Sir AJ. Oh my God, plus 100 ka dyan. So, kinompile na po ni Sir AJ yung pre-assessment, post-assessment. Ayan. Ipin na natin to. Ayan, hindi pala. Sige. So for those na kararating lang, of course, kinapi ko yung kanyang comment and then share na lang. Ano pong link ng download ng app? Check po natin, search lang po natin Hour of Code, or kung wala pong Hour of Code, code.org. Ayan, sa ating Apple and Google Play. Ma'am, I'm a beginner lang po but I'll try to explore the Hour of Code. Okay lang po ba? Screenshot ko muna, starting ko without level. Ma'am, start tayo kahit level 1. Ayan. So, para at least ma-explore mo din po siya. Kasi kung nandun pa lang tayo sa introduction, hindi mo may enjoy yung mga games. Ayan. Ma'am, same content ng post-assessment and attendance. Hindi po. Attendance po, meron po yung attachment. Okay, sige. Sige po ha, wait lang. For attendance po, I guess kanina. Sorry, post-assessment. Ito siya. Ayan, nag-increase na tayo, nag-200, ano na siya. Ayan. So, ito po yung attendance. Okay? Ma'am, yung regarding po sa tourism management sa webinar, may PM po ako sa inyo. Alright, so sige po, message nyo lang po ako guys. Kasi meron tayo niyan. Tomorrow naman po yun, 4 p.m. Ang partner natin doon is STI Tanawan. Ayan. Okay, anyway, so sige po. I hope po na-answer ko siya lahat. And again, thank you very much for those na tumulong po sa atin, no, mag-compile ng mga links and whatever. Pero for now, I just wanna ask lang po to all of you before po tayo magpaalam sa isa't isa, no? Ayan. Kung pwede po, ayan. Sure, I will stop video po muna kasi bawal po ang sa atin baka ma-down po yung aking Facebook. Pasuyo na lang po ng ating maglagay po tayo ng ayan, kahit sando po okay lang. Ayan. Sige. So, alam ko naman, work from home or no. So, okay lang yan. Okay, sige, pa-open na lang po ako ng ating camera. Again, when you open your camera, you are allowing us po to share this on our different social media accounts. No? So, kung sa akin po o kaya po sa Break the Fake Movement, ayan. So, let's go. And, of course, para katunayan din po. So, kuwari wala po kayong wala po kayong certificate. Ma'am, eto po ako, nasa screenshot po ako. So, pwede niyo pong sabihin yan. Okay, sige po. So, I have 2 here. Ayan. So, I'm just exploring. So, I have 2 here po. Ayan, may pumapasok pa. Sige, I have 2 here po dito na screen. So, I hope po before po. Ayan, sige. Smile na po tayo, alright? So, in the count of 3, guys. Ayan. Okay, so in the count of 3 po, first po muna. Ayan. Sige. Okay. Sige, mamaya na po mag-comment. Screenshot, ano po muna tayo? Photo po muna tayo. Sasagutin ko po yan, don't worry. Okay? So, screenshot po tayo, the count of 3. So, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, so first batch po ito. Wait lang po, ang inyong mga ngiti, huwag tatanggalin. Ayan, another po with the second window. I don't know kung nasan kayo. So, stay lang po ang ating smile. So, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, okay. So, yeah, hanggang 2 lang siya. And so, per 100 po tayo. Anyway, again, thank you very much, guys, for trusting NVJ Training Consultancy Services. And of course, we welcome you po with AI Ready ASEAN. Hoping this is just a first step for those po na medyo chill-chill lang dyan. Ayan, again, thank you very much po dyan. And I hope po nag-enjoy kayo habang naglalaro. And of course, information. Though, simple lang yung mga information, pero again, this will all help us po to make more AI-ready ASEAN po tayo. Alright? So again, thank you very much, guys. And I hope to see you soon ulit. So we're going to, gagawa po ulit kami nito before po ang August 30. And of course, marami tayong mga partnership dyan. And again pala, just want to ask lang, if you want to participate din po as part of the partnership, baka may mga organization po kayo, no? We also do live of this. Ayan. So, reach out nyo lang po ako with my Facebook account. So, para usap po tayo kung ano po yung pwede. So, kung gusto mo na pupunta kami sa school nyo, pwede po. Just let me know. Okay? Para mapag-usapan. Alright, again. So, again, ayan na. Thank you very much po for all. And I hope po, of course, we enjoy the evening po, no? With this one. Ayan. So, kita-kits po tayo ulit sa mga susunod. At kung saan tayo magkikita ulit sa mga susunod po na trainings natin. Okay, sige, wag po kayong mag-alala. Hindi ko pa naman i-off yung Zoom, pero yung live natin sa Facebook, I'm gonna stop it lang. So, I'm gonna share lang po our closing bago ko siya i-stop live stream. Yan. Okay.
AI is shaping the future of digital transformation across ASEAN.
ASEAN has played a pivotal role in coordinating efforts to create a more inclusive AI ecosystem for its member states, and should continue to champion this mission to ensure equitable AI development.
However, with ASEAN countries at varying stages of readiness, the rapid rise of AI brings unique challenges that each nation must tackle in its own way. That's where AI Ready ASEAN steps in, helping everyone in ASEAN adapt to and benefit from AI. With support from Google.org, the ASEAN Foundation is implementing AI Ready ASEAN to empower the AI literacy of 5.5 million people in ASEAN, focusing on the youth, educators, and parents.
We'll train 2,000 master trainers and reach 800 people with hands-on AI learning, along with an awareness-raising campaign on AI, organize regional and national convenings, publish a regional-scale research on AI, and launch an e-learning platform through the AI Resource Hub for easy access, anytime, anywhere.
We can ensure no one is left behind in this exciting tech revolution. Let's get AI ready together!